Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Now if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more gorgeous hairstyle ideas. So if you have been on the hunt for the perfect hairstyle, I am here to help you out. Today's video is full of trendy and inspiring hairstyle ideas you'll most definitely want to try. So if you do happen to feel inspired by any of the looks featured within today's video, don't forget to give this one a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. So today we're going to be checking out some more spring and summer hairstyle ideas. First up, we have a haircut transformation. Like she has a nice angled bob here. I love the texture that he did. And we get a nice 360 view of the cuts. Moving on to transformation number 2. Her hair is around mid-length. The stylist, wow, the stylist is going quite short here for this one. Oh, she ends up getting a gorgeous pixie with bangs. Beautifully done. Nice, classic, simple, and cheap. And then we have something called the fairy haircut. So I'm going to do a full video on this particular trend. And it's a new way to rock out the pixie. There's also the mod pixie style that is inspired from the 60s. So we're seeing both of these kind of new pixie shapes taking over. Very cute. What's great about this cut too is it does feature a nice volumized look, so it really has some texture to it. The long sideburns. And then we move into this classic bob transformation. So her hair starts off just above the shoulders here, and then the stylist goes in and cuts it shorter. Doing more of an angled bob style here. Love the way that this frames her face, so cute. And then we have someone styling their hair. So it looks like she has a bit of a grown out pixie cut here, or what I like to call an in-between pixie cut. That's pretty much a style that is in between a pixie and a bob. And what's great about this length is I really feel like you get the best of both worlds. Longer than a traditional pixie, but shorter than a traditional bob style. It's also very 90s inspired. Very cute. Oh, so here we have someone rocking out the copper hair color trend. If you guys follow this channel, you know that I'm obsessed with this hair color, but it looks like she is shaving off her hair. Wow, all that hair is gone. And then she also goes ahead and bleaches the hair, dyes it down, goes blonde. Wow. Beautifully done. What a makeover. I definitely did not expect that. I was thinking maybe she was just gonna, get a cut refresh with that bob, but she did a nice buzz cut here. And then we move into an asymmetrical pixie cut. This one does feature a nice little undercut with it, followed by another asymmetrical pixie undercut look. Beautiful blonde color here. And then we have another asymmetrical pixie undercut with a dip dyed purple lens, followed by another beautiful pixie. Oh, okay, so she has hair around mid-length and she gets a nice mod cut that we're really seeing to take off this season. Hers features a lot of texture to it. Beautiful. I am loving this trend. Like I said, be on the lookout for a full video that is going to feature several different ways that you can rock out this look. And it is very popular on TikTok, and we're only going to continue to see this trend grow in popularity. So here we have someone, now she has some beautiful natural textured hair as well. Comes to around shoulder length and she gets a beautiful pixie cut here. Nice little asymmetrical shape. I feel like that's definitely the go-to like pixie style. And then we have something very bold. So she has like this gorgeous pink color. I love the shape of the pixie that the stylist did here. This is just so chic and fun. Perfect for the spring, summer season. I just feel like this color is just beautiful. Moving right along, we have someone with shoulder length hair. Now, if I had to guess, I think she's gonna get a cut refresh for this one, but you never know. Oh, she went shorter with a pixie cut. Nice, simple, and chic. And then here we have a nice bob style. She also switches it up with a pixie. Wow. I love the amount of height and volume that the stylist was able to achieve here. Her hair looks so much thicker and fuller. Beautifully done. And then here we have someone, she's got this really pretty honey blonde color. Stylist cuts the hair. Looks like she's getting more of a pixie style here. Oh wow, look at that color. Looks so beautiful in the spotlight. Perfect for her complexion, and this pixie is just stunning. All right, you guys, I hope you were able to find some major hair inspiration for the spring and summer season. If you were, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.